Marble floor versus epoxy floor. Which one is better for your home? Dear friends, choosing the right flooring for your home can be challenging, especially when comparing marble and epoxy floors. Both options have their own strengths and limitations, and the best choice depends on your lifestyle, budget, and aesthetic preferences. Marble flooring is a natural stone widely admired for its elegance, timeless beauty, and luxurious appeal. It instantly enhances the value of any home with its polished finish and unique veining patterns. Marble is also durable and heat-resistant, making it suitable for warm climates. However, it comes at a much higher cost compared to synthetic options and requires regular maintenance, including sealing and polishing, to prevent stains, scratches, and dullness. It is best suited for homeowners who want long-lasting luxury and are willing to invest in upkeep. Epoxy flooring, on the other hand, is a modern alternative created by applying resin over a concrete surface. It is extremely durable, resistant to stains, moisture, and chemicals, and very easy to clean. Epoxy is also budget-friendly compared to marble and can be customized with different colors, textures, or even 3D designs. However, it may not match the natural elegance of marble, and prolonged exposure to sunlight can cause discoloration. Additionally, it might require reapplication after several years. In conclusion, if you value luxury, natural beauty, and long-term property value, marble flooring is the better choice. But if you prefer affordability, durability, and low maintenance, epoxy flooring is a more practical solution for modern homes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.